No Sabado. Maraming Sabado.
Sabay-sabay tayo, no Sabado, dumaratam.
Ikinit na mo, pinawak pa. It's 22 weeks.
Ay, wag mo. Ay, natamali mo yun dito.
I lost all of my hopes, I'm tired. I counted every miles, but it still feels like day and night. I try to hold my head up high, like a pretty butterfly that flew away until she dies. If I do try to fly to fall down and then hide. All I know is when you go, I sat by myself like every time. And when I've nowhere to go, I ask to myself like every time. I keep getting up and try for the sake of time. I hope to myself.
Magaling okay, para po natin sila. Ayan. Okay, syempre, kailangan natin ng malaman kung...
Ay, Nenay. Ay, si Nenay. Sexy ni Nenay, oh. Ah, sexy ni Nenay, oh. Ah, ganda-ganda.
Gianna.
Stay kind. Thank you for inviting me.
Okay, palakpakan po natin siya. Dito po. Ayan, okay, dyan na lang po tayo. Okay, happy birthday, partner. Okay, kasi, close. Okay, close your eyes and make your wish. Pagbilang ko ng 1 to 3, bublo mo yung mga kandila. Ready? Close your eyes and make your wish. 1. Okay, palakpakan po.
Picture.
Okay, the last 7 candle.
Mike.
Mama.
Ma'am, set po tayo next.
Birthday mo. Kasi? Wish ko sa'yo, di tita. Alam ko, magaling kang bata. Nabungan mo ng bata. Nasa homework ka na. Sabi nga ng mga teacher mo. Good job.